and he's taking pictures of
Is an emergency?
Hi, I need a police officer dispatched, please, to 656 Wool Creek Drive immediately. Huh?
What's going on there?
There's a man out here who is standing on the sidewalk. He keeps taking pictures of the kids at the school across the street. Our owner went out there to try and figure out what's going on. Now they're taking pictures of him. He looks like he's got something in his back pocket. It almost looked like a gun. Someone needs to get out here right now.
So okay, so we've already got the call there, and I want you to slow down for a minute. What makes you guys think it's a gun in the back pocket?
I don't know. It looks funny. It's got something that looks like a handle. I'm just saying, I'm not getting close enough to the son of a bitch to...
Okay, what?
So where are the officers?
Ma'am, they're going to be on the way. What color is the handle?
It's black.
Okay.
Please, just hurry. I've got to go. Please.
What is your name, ma'am?
Charles 4, I'm Elizabeth 97. What's the description now?
Back up again. They're very big. They keep hanging up on us again. So unknown race male, about 5'8" with a black beard, sunglasses, black hoodie, and light blue jeans.
The emergency, how may I help you?
Yes, you guys need to send a police officer or more than one. There's a gentleman out in our yard with a gun, I believe.
What's the address?
Back 656 Wool Creek.
Is that a house or an apartment?
It's in a business.
And the name of the business?
Peninsula Crane.
And he has I understand he has a gun. He has a gun where?
It looks like he has a gun.
Where?
And I'm telling you what, if you guys don't come in the next 5 minutes, I'm calling all the TV stations.
Ma'am,
what?
A gun where?
What? In his bag.
Okay, one moment.
Hurry up.
Okay. Stay on the phone with me.
Peninsula Reading.
This is San Jose Police Department. Somebody there just called 911 saying there was a person out there with a gun in their yard. Were you the one that called?
No, ma'am.
Okay, do you know anything about this? Do you know what this person looks like or where the gun is?
May I have your badge number and I'll get you to the right person?
Yeah, I'm 683. And that person who called, let them know the officer's on the way. I just need to ask a few more questions while they're driving out there.
Then your officer can give us a call, please.
Okay, thank you.
Charles 4, they still are visual enough?
I don't know. They just keep hanging up on us. So we don't have anybody landline right now.
Copy. Just give us code 32. We're getting flagged down.
Okay, code 33.
Hello? Are you the gentleman that called? Who called the second time? Who called the second time? I don't know. I called at about 10 minutes to 9 and about 15 minutes after that. Asking dispatch.
So what's going on today?
This gentleman over here with the black hoodie was outside the south gate. Videotaping inside and whatever. I went out and identified myself, and I asked him what he was doing, asked him to identify himself and what he was doing, and he refused.
And where was he standing there? On the sidewalk?
He was on the sidewalk.
Okay, so...
Yes, he has a right to be on the sidewalk. Yes. But does he have a right to videotape?
Yes, you're in public view.
Okay. But does he have a right to not identify himself?
Yes, 100%.
He doesn't even have to identify himself to us.
He's doing a First Amendment right. He has a First Amendment right to record. There's nothing wrong with him recording. If you want to be recorded, you can go inside, away from the camera's view.
Is there a gun scene?
I don't know, ma'am.
I reported that there was a gun scene to us.
I don't know. I know one of our guys said he had his hand in his pocket, inside his bag, when they first seen him, and they didn't know if he had a gun or not. I don't know.
Well, we're gonna reverse whoever he called on that phone and figure out who's saying he has a gun. That's all important. If people are calling in, because we would have shot this person.
No.
That person would have been responsible.
It wasn't me.
Okay. Well, we're gonna have to figure that out. So
That's fine.
everyone's gonna have to hang out.
That's fine.
We'll
I'm
call
not going
these
anywhere.
guys.
I have no reason to go anywhere.
What female is calling? We need to speak to her right now because she lied to us, and that's a big issue. So find out what female inside your guys' business called us here for this kind of response. So we'll go inside and find out.
Go ahead.
This is ridiculous. Okay, well, we need you to come outside and talk to us. Because no one said, everyone out here is saying that nobody said he had a gun, and that's a very serious accusation.
I know. It looked like he had a gun in his back pocket. That's why I was terrified when I called.
That he has a gun.
I said, it looks like he has a gun in his back pocket. They said, where is it? I said, it looks like it's in his back pocket. And they said, what color is it?
But
And I said,
why are we
black.
calling in the first place? Because he says he's just out here recording. So what's the issue?
What do you mean, what's the issue?
So how did this whole thing present itself that we're calling the police to say someone has a gun who has no
He's
gun?
been out here. He was taking video and pictures of the school kids.
Okay.
And then my owner went out and he started trying to incite the owner. And then our other gentleman went out with him, Shamir. And so I brought my dog out here to go pee, and the man turned around, and I saw something in his back pocket. And it scared the hell out of me, and I came in right away, and I called the police. I said, it looks like he has a weapon in his back pocket. And then somebody said, it looked like he had something in his bag. So I hope you guys searched his bag. But
yeah, we did. But you called him and reported that he had a gun.
I said it looked like that he had a gun.
So
I don't know for a fact.
He's out on the sidewalk recording the business, so he's on the sidewalk, not on your business property.
Correct.
So he has a right to be there. He has a right to
He's
record.
not trespassing. But when I saw it look like he had something in his back pocket, that terrified me.
Okay. Do you have your ID on you?
I don't. It's in the office. I can give you my name and my number.
I can run her out if you want.
Okay.
What's your last name, ma'am?
First name.
So hold on. How do I pronounce that?
Yes.
And then first name. Date of birth.
Does he have a weapon?
Man,
Yep.
my problem too with this whole situation is if you're the one calling is why are you hanging up on our call takers?
I was coming out here to see what was going on.
Okay, ma'am, everything, I understand if you thought he had a weapon, I'm fine with that. But what you did, if because he doesn't have a weapon at all.
Oh, thank God. Okay.
No, it's not, you cannot generate a response like that and hang up on our call takers. It's so far from okay. It's just ridiculous. If you were that scared, why would you keep coming back outside?
I didn't come outside. I came to the door to watch what was
You
going
stay on
on.
the phone with our call takers if you call 911. This response that you got today is ginormous for a guy who's just recording people and trying to get under people's skin.
Is that what he's doing?
I don't know. I wasn't here, but that's exactly what it seems like. And to call like that and hang up on our call takers, it's a big deal.
Well,
it's
I'm
a
very
big issue.
sorry.
It's
I didn't mean
you
that.
don't get to
It
hang
looked
up.
like he had
People don't call our call takers and get to hang up like that. Their job is to give us updates so
Right.
people don't get hurt.
Right. I just told them, please get someone out here immediately. And it looks
Now,
like
we
he
read
has
what
something.
you guys told them, and it
Okay.
wasn't that. You said, yes, he has a gun,
No.
and he has a gun, yes, he does, and he placed it in his bag. I just saw him place it in his
I
bag.
did not say any of that.
And there's a gentleman out in our yard with a gun, I believe.
What's the address? And he has a. I understand he has a gun. He has a gun
It
where?
looks like he has a gun.
Where?
And I'm telling you what, if you guys don't come in the next 5 minutes, I'm calling all the TV stations.
Ma'am.
What?
A gun where?
What? In his bag.
Okay.
Can I just add something real
Sure.
quick?
None of that.
So, since he started out here, we've been getting phone calls nonstop in here. and death threats and everything else, non-stop.
Non-stop.
So I don't know, I
Probably
can't say that
600
they
calls.
are, but I'm just saying maybe someone from whatever he's affiliated with, maybe they're calling and agitating as well. I don't know.
That's fine. My point is to say yes, I see a gun is a big deal.
I did not say
we understand
that.
that, but I'm
Right
I'm just adding that to it because I don't know if it
Okay.
could be the case or not.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad he didn't have a gun.
It is what it is at this point.
Okay. All right. You can head back
I
in.
don't think we need anything else right now.
Thank
Okay.
you for coming out. I appreciate it.
Why do you think he's here? I have no idea. He made some comment that he was investigating something and that I failed, and so forth. And then he tried to incite further from me and so
sounds
forth.
like an auditor.
An auditor?
Yeah.
What exactly is that?
First Amendment auditor.
Okay.
So they like to go out, like I said, they want to go out and entice people into violating First Amendment.
Okay.
Like with us, they'll come to our police department, start recording us, an officer confronts them.
And what is their purpose? What's your motivation?
YouTube, likes on YouTube,
I see. Okay. So
lawsuits, civil lawsuits.
Okay.
Google it. Just look on YouTube. Look up First Amendment audit.
I usually try to stay away from social media.
No,
YouTube or any other
Videos.
platform and
Just
so
look up
forth.
First Amendment audit, and you'll see a bunch of police officers and other people just recording. Right? Someone says, "Hey, I don't want you recording. I have a right to." Right?
Okay. All right. I'm sorry for